What is the constitutional nature of the soul? The constitutional nature of water is to wet. Fire is to burn. Similarly, the constitutional nature of the soul is to serve. You can notice that the living entities are always serving somebody else. Serving the family, serving friends, serving nation, serving the pet, or serving oneself. When the same service attitude is directed towards the Supreme Personality of Godhead, this service can liberate the living entity and go back to Godhead, back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.